In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for email subject line ideas fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredible tool that can help you tap into current conversations and trends, ensuring your email subject lines are relevant and engaging. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to Google Trends. Simply open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once the search results pop up, click on the first link. This will lead you to the Google Trends homepage, which is your gateway to exploring a world of trending topics and data-driven insights. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore option on the top menu bar and give it a click. This feature is where the magic happens, allowing you to delve deep into specific topics to inform your email content strategy. Now let's move on to entering a topic or keyword. Think broadly about the content of your email. For instance, if you run a fashion newsletter, you might type in summer fashion. If your content is more related to food, you could try healthy recipes. And if you're tech-focused, perhaps tech gadgets would suit. After you've entered your topic, hit the Enter key. This will generate results on the interest over time graph, which visually represents how popular your chosen topic has been over a selected time period. It's crucial here to set relevant filters that match your target audience and business needs. At the top of the page, you can adjust the location to the country or region you're focusing on. Similarly, set the time range, either to the past 12 months for long-term trends or past 90 days for more recent data. There's also an option to specify the category or niche and choose the search type, such as web search, YouTube, or shopping, depending on the platforms important for your campaign. Now, let's analyze what we see. The interest over time graph can show whether there are current spikes, indicating topics that are trending right now and could be perfect for a timely email campaign, or it might reveal consistent interest, providing evergreen topics for reliable email subject lines. Next, we'll scroll down to check the Related Queries section. This is where you'll find emerging search terms your audience is actively looking for. Rising queries are especially useful as they represent trending terms that haven't reached their peak yet. For example, a health-focused email might benefit from phrases like quick healthy recipes or vegan meal prep ideas. Further down, you'll find related topics, which can help you spot broader themes associated with your keyword. This deeper insight enables you to brainstorm subject line variations or even set up A/B tests to optimize open rates. Finally, there's the option to export this data. Click on the download icon to export CSV files. Tracking this search interest alongside your sales data or ad performance over time can provide valuable insights for launching new products or tweaking your marketing strategy. By leveraging Google Trends wisely, you can ensure your email campaigns are both engaging and effective. Happy exploring, and I hope these insights lead to compelling and attention-grabbing email subject lines.